Can you believe these incredible natural escapes are all less than 2 hours from Mexico City? From volcanic lakes to glowing firefly forests. These are the best day trips from Mexico City to reconnect with nature and yourself. Nevado de Toluca. Nevado de Toluca is a majestic extinct volcano famous for its stunning crater lakes and alpine landscapes. Two alpine lakes sit inside its crater: the Moon Lake, Lago del Sol, and the Sun Lake, Lago de la Luna. This volcano last erupted about 10,000 years ago, shaping the sacred landscape locals have revered for centuries. Visitors can reach the crater by shuttle or on foot, but should prepare for the high altitude and rapidly changing weather. The crater's twin lakes freeze at different rates, making for a unique natural spectacle. Paso de Cortes. Paso de Cortes lies between two iconic volcanoes steeped in Nahua legend Iztaccíhuatl, the sleeping woman, and Popocatépetl, the smoking mountain. This is the very path Hernán Cortés took on his 1519 expedition to Tenochtitlan. The park offers a variety of trails ranging from easy walks to challenging hikes. The landscape shifts dramatically as you ascend from pine forests to volcanic fields and glaciers. Popocatépetl remains an active volcano constantly monitored by scientists, adding an element of awe to your visit. Tepoztlán. Tepoztlán is a vibrant mountain town known for its spiritual energy and the ancient Tepozteco pyramid that crowns the Nervi Hill. This pyramid was built to honor Tepoztecat, the god of pulque and fertility. The mountain trail to Tepozteco offers breathtaking panoramic views of the valley below, rewarding climbers with both natural beauty and a deep sense of history. The pyramid aligns perfectly with the sun during the equinoxes, highlighting the ancient people's astronomical knowledge. Desierto de los Leones is a serene national park within Mexico City's limits that once served as a Carmelite monastery. The monks here practiced complete silence for over a century, believing nature was the voice of God. Today, the park's foggy pine forests, historic ruins, waterfalls, and peaceful trails offer visitors a chance to escape urban life and immerse themselves in contemplative solitude and natural beauty. El Chico National Park. El Chico is one of Mexico's oldest and most picturesque national parks, featuring dense pine forests and striking granite rock formations and cool mountain air. The expansive park covers over 27,000 hectares and includes nearby mountain villages such as Mineral del Chico, where visitors can enjoy local culture and crafts. Ajusco National Park. Ajusco Mountain is known for its towering peaks and volcanic landscapes. While Pico del Águila is the most famous summit, the lesser-known trails offer quiet moss-covered volcanic soil forests and boulder fields called the Mirror Rocks. These trails are less crowded and provide stunning views over the valley, making them perfect for nature lovers seeking solitude and unique geological formations. Tuliman Waterfalls. Tuliman Waterfalls are a refreshing escape featuring cascading water sand natural pools surrounded by red and orange rocks. The local mineral deposits create striking colors in the landscape, enhancing the beauty of this spot. Reaching the waterfalls involves moderate hiking with slippery stone paths, rewarding visitors with peaceful surroundings and opportunities for swimming. Presa Iturbide. Presa Iturbide is a tranquil reservoir created in the mid-20th century surrounded by rolling pine forests and gentle hills. The lake now supports diverse wildlife and offers peaceful walking trails around its perimeter. Its accessibility and calm environment make it a perfect retreat for birdwatchers and those looking to reconnect with nature, with options for lakeside camping. Nanacamilpa Firefly Forest. Each summer, the Firefly Forest transforms into a magical spectacle as thousands of fireflies light up the pine oak forest. This natural light show is a mating ritual creating waves of glowing patterns that have inspired local traditions and festivals. The forest itself is protected to preserve its biodiversity, and night tours offer a rare glimpse into this fleeting wonder. Valle de Bravo is a historic mountain town built around a man-made lake created by a dam in the 1930s. This charming locale offers pine forests and volcanic hills, and is renowned for hosting a monarch butterfly sanctuary each winter. Hiking trails and lakeside vistas provide visitors with a rich combination of natural beauty and cultural heritage, perfect for a day trip or longer stay. From volcanic craters to glowing forests, these natural escapes prove the best day trips from Mexico City are closer than you think. Which one will you explore first?